tell lies, and I hope you don't mind that I turn away.
Cause you'll just do it again, and you'll fuck all my friends, and you'll just fuck with my head. And I'm so done with the mess you left embedded in lead. I want you out of my life, I'm sick of all of your lies. I'm sick of all the little things you used to do with my mind. You'll just do it again, you just love to pretend to be innocent. Fuck you, I think you're insignificant. Don't you look in my eyes, go and say your goodbyes. You fucked up bad, now you're wasting my time. You treated me wrong, I'm so glad you're gone. Why can't I move on? You filled me with hate, you made my heart break. Still I can't escape, I tried and I tried, but I'm left dead inside. And you're killing me slowly without even knowing. Well, love is a cost, and both of us lost. It went on way too long, like it never would end, till the day that we're dead and both of us are gone. I tried and I tried, we both had lost our minds. I felt so sick to my stomach, but I know that you love it. Cause you'll just do it again, and you'll fuck all my friends, and you'll just fuck with my head. And I'm so done with the mess